The Homeworthy YouTube channel toured my home recently, and that video is coming out this Saturday, April 18th. And so today I thought I would share 5 things that really surprised me about that tour. Number 1, before they arrived, they sent me some general guidelines and suggestions for the tour, which were mostly just common sense things. But there was one thing on that list that I found a little surprising, and that was they requested that I hide all of my wastebaskets. And so I did. Number 2, I was really surprised by how long they were here. The videographer arrived at noon and didn't leave until almost 6 o'clock. I'm not really sure what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting 6 hours. Number 3, the videographer drove here from the Chicago area, but the Homeworthy creative director lives in New York, so she was on a Zoom call with us the whole time, which was a little weird because she was talking to me and giving me suggestions, asking me questions. And so there were several times that I caught myself talking to the phone instead of the camera. Number 4, they did not take any footage of my mudroom or laundry room. And those of you that watch my YouTube channel know that I specifically made over my laundry room with new wallpaper in anticipation of their visit. Oh well. And number 5, the thing that surprised me the most was how they film everything out of order. For instance, they filmed the upstairs bedrooms before the main floor. And at the beginning of every Homeworthy video, the homeowner answers the door and says, "Hi, Homeworthy, come on in." They did that dead last. And by that time, I was emotionally exhausted. So I don't know if I had any energy or enthusiasm left. I'm afraid I might have been like, "Hi, come on in." I don't know. I'm anxious to see the video because honestly, I was so nervous that there is a lot that I don't remember about that day. So I hope you'll be watching it with me. It comes out this Saturday, April 18th on the Homeworthy YouTube channel. And I hope I'll see you back here on Monday for a pretty incredible family room makeover.